been laid off in your company, if you've been laid off just from your job and you're looking for a way to make more income, you are in the right place. I'm Felicia. I am owner and founder of Mack Maids and Mack Maids Academy. And I'm going to share with you today why starting a cleaning company is one of the best things that you can do in 2025 as well as in 2026. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, then definitely keep on watching. So one of the things that I'm really crystal clear about and that I coach all of my clients on who are looking to grow, start, or scale a cleaning company is that you can do anything you put your mind to, but you have to put in the work. And I'm going to say that 100 million times on my channel. It's something that I firmly believe in, and something that I think that ultimately everyone should be aware of as well, and should own it, I should say. So what does that look like? You know, today's video is not about showing you how to start a business or going into depth, but it's really talking about mindset. You know, anytime you're making a shift, whether it's a shift from working a 9 to 5 to, owning your own business, whatever business that is, hopefully it's a cleaning company, but whatever business that is, you have to really start with mindset. The reason why I say this is because I can give you the tips, I can give you the tools, I can give you all the things. But if you're not in a place where you're constantly positioning yourself and you're showing up every day, then you're not going to be ultimately putting in the work, doing what it takes to actually get the results. So what do I mean by mindset? I mean really setting the intention on what it is that you want to do on a day-to-day basis to work towards your goal on actually starting that cleaning company or actually growing or scaling it. So if you're just starting out, that might mean just carving out an hour or two each day to say, okay, these are the hours that are non-negotiable, that I know that I'm going to be working on my business, working on my brand, really putting myself out there and actually focus on getting clients, whether it's going door to door, whether it is cold calling, whatever that may look like, right? Now, of course, you got to get all this stuff set up in the background from a business perspective. But if you've already started, some of you guys, you're just in a place right now where you just want to get clients, right? But you're not showing up every day. And it is honestly your mindset that stops you from doing that. The second thing is you have to get crystal clear about why you want to start the business, right? Not just like, oh, I need to make some extra money. No, like, why do you want to start the business? Some of us, if I can be honest, we don't even know. We're just doing it because we feel like it's the cool thing to do. We see or saw somebody on YouTube, maybe you saw myself or somebody else doing it, but you have not connected that to your why. And I promise you, the greatest gift, the greatest thing that you can do for yourself is to simply ask yourself, why do I want to start a cleaning company or any type of business? And what is it going to take for me to actually be successful in doing it? The next thing I'll say is get a community, get involved with a coach. I'm happy to work with you or find any coach that can work with you to just hold you accountable for what you say that you're going to do and for how you say that you're going to show up, right? I think that's half the battle because we have a lot of things going on in our lives, and sometimes it's hard to kind of sit still and map something out or research or, seek further, assistance in any way, shape, or form in your business. But those are the steps that I think, before you, even if you're just starting, before you even do the EIN and you do all the business stuff, just take a moment and get your mindset together. Take a moment and say, okay, why am I doing this? Do I have the time in this season of my life to do it? And am I committed to what is on the opposite end for me, right? Not just kind of, amped up for the moment, but then you lose your momentum. So if there's any way that I can assist you in your journey, or there's any questions that I can answer for you or anything, please do not hesitate to reach out. I would love to be your coach. I would love to walk you through exactly how to start, scale, or grow your cleaning company. Talk to you on my next video.